Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I got this cheapo magazine loader for 9mm and 45 ACP ammunition. So how about we try it out and squeeze, push down, drop the round in. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's try these Meggar 1911 45 ACP magazines. Oh wow, this is awesome. I love it. Oh, no more thumb damage. Woohoo! Glock 26 magazine, 9mm. Wow, that is awesome. This is truly a universal loader. Woo. All right, let's try one more mag. ETS, single stack 9. Squeeze, push down, pop it in. Squeeze, push down, pop it. Looks like it might last. Give me a thumb and subscribe. Bye.